My name is Muhammed Lazim. I am from Calicut, Kerala. I completed my BTech in Electronics and Communication from TKM College of Engineering, Kollam, with an aggregate of 74%. I came to Pyspiders after completing my graduation and I took Python developer course. Jivida ma'am was my Python trainer and SQL was trained by Andoser. It was very easy to follow their classes and they were very helpful uh, for understanding us the basic concept. I got placed in a good company with a good package. I thank all the staffs and faculties of Pyspiders, and a special thanks to Ranjita ma'am for giving this whole opportunity to me.